Hi guys, welcome to the Adobe Beauty channel. My name is Adobe and I'm a bridal makeup artist, wig maker and beauty educator, and I share tips and tutorials that help makeup artists book more clients and become more confident in their artistry. So if you're interested in elevating your makeup artistry, be sure to subscribe to this channel, click that subscribe button, give a thumbs up to this video and leave a comment below telling me what topics on makeup artistry you would like me to discuss next. Today, I'll be telling and showing you the must-have makeup brushes for beginner makeup artists. So let's get into it. Being a newbie in the makeup artistry scene, it's really easy to be overwhelmed with all the options of makeup brushes and products available in the market. I mean, there's always someone on social media or in stores trying to sell you the best brushes to get or have as a pro makeup artist. So it's really easy as a beginner makeup artist to get confused with all the options out there because trust me, there are a lot. And what I've seen that happens with most beginner makeup artists, and quite frankly, what also happened to me when I first started out as a makeup artist, is that you get caught up in all the hype, all the marketing hype, and you just start buying anything that is sold to you. But the thing is, as a new makeup artist, you're just starting out. So most likely, you don't have a lot of resources or money to just buy any and every makeup brush that you come across. And if you're not careful, you just end up wasting a lot of money that you could have used to invest in other aspects of your makeup business on tools that you don't even need. And that's what I'm going to be helping you with today. I'm going to be helping you block out all that marketing noise by telling you and showing you the must-have brushes to have in your pro kit as a beginner makeup artist. Then, of course, as you start getting more clients and making more money, you can build on what you have and stock up on more makeup brushes and tools. So your first must-have brush as a beginner makeup artist is a foundation brush. I have a video showing you the different types of foundation brushes and how to use them. So watch that video as well so that you can be guided on the best foundation brush to get for your kit. I'll be linking that video somewhere in the screen, so please check it out. A good foundation brush is really important because it can help you apply foundation easily, and that's the first step to achieving a more even complexion with makeup. Also, in my video about the different types of foundation brushes, I show you how to use these different foundation brushes to achieve flawless foundation application on your clients. The second must-have brush for your makeup kit when you're a beginner makeup artist is a small face brush. A small face brush is really important to have in your pro kit because you can use this for more detailed complexion work on your clients. Okay, so say for instance, you have a client who has hyperpigmentation or needs more coverage in certain places. You can use a smaller face brush to focus on those areas and provide more coverage where needed. You can also use a small face brush to apply makeup such as your foundation and your concealer in harder to reach places of your client's face, such as the corners of the nose. So another thing that I like to do with a smaller face brush is applying under eye concealer on my bride. It works really well for under eye makeup application. So this brush is really important to have in your pro kit because it helps you with more detailed complexion work on your clients. So the third makeup brush that I recommend that you carry in your pro kit as a new makeup artist is a powder brush. So a powder brush is very important for setting your makeup. It helps to keep both your liquid and cream makeup in place. A powder brush is usually large and fluffy, and it has this dome shape just like this that helps to evenly disperse the product all over the face. So after applying your complexion products such as the foundation and the concealer, you need to set the work that you've done so that your makeup on the client stays put. I mean, imagine you've done such a beautiful work of laying your foundation, your concealer, your contour. The next step would be to keep all that beautiful work you've done intact and prevent it from moving around. And this is when the use of a powder brush comes in. A powder brush will help lock your cream and liquid products in place so that your makeup lasts longer on clients. And the best way that I teach my students to apply powder on their clients is to take their powder brush, dip it into some powder, tap off the excess before setting the client's makeup. So this helps in applying powder more evenly as well as avoiding makeup from caking. Now, the next must-have brush in your pro makeup kit, if you're a beginner makeup artist, is a flat eyeshadow brush. So this brush is essential for applying eye makeup. Now, eye brushes are much smaller and more dense than face brushes. And this is because they are designed for precise application in a much smaller area of the face, which in this case is the eye. So this brush is compact and it's shaped almost like a flat foundation brush. I hope you can see that. So the flat foundation brush can be used for applying primer on the lid, which is this upper area of the eye, and as well as it's used for placing eyeshadow color on the lid. And a flat eyeshadow brush can also be great for more precise eyeshadow application. For instance, say you're looking to do a cut crease on the client. A flat eyeshadow brush will help you get that precise application with your eyeshadow that a cut crease normally has. So it's an important brush to have in your pro kit. The next and last brush on this list of must-have makeup brushes for beginner makeup artists is the eye blending brush. This brush is my favorite eye makeup brush, and in my opinion, the most versatile makeup brush for the eye because I can use this brush for a lot of different things. I use it for placing eyeshadow on the lid. I use it for blending out harsh edges. I also use it for dotting some highlighter on the brow bone. So I love this brush a lot. So these blending brushes are normally softer and tapered into a more rounded shape like that. And this is so that it can make blending eye makeup much easier. So you typically want to use your eye blending brush after you place eyeshadow on your client's lid. So you place eyeshadow on your client's lid and then you go in with your eye blending brush to blend out the harsh lines created by the eyeshadow that you just placed. So this brush is really important to have because with blending out the harsh lines as you apply eyeshadow, you're just going to achieve a more harmonious and just beautiful eye look on your client. And there you have it, must-have makeup brushes for your pro makeup kit as a beginner makeup artist. So start from here, make this your foundation and build up on it. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Find that subscribe button and click on it. Give a thumbs up to this video and leave a comment below telling me what your favorite makeup tool in your pro makeup kit is. Thank you so much for spending time with me and I'll see you soon. Bye.